In this video, I'll show you how to adjust your camera settings in AirTouch for the best tracking and image quality. Open File, select Camera Settings. As you can see, you have different options to adjust, such as manual crop, rotations, flip vertically, and flip horizontally. Make sure you click Save and Close to keep the changes you made. For Camera Properties, open File, select Camera Settings, then click Camera Properties to access your camera's built-in controls. Depending on your camera model, you may have access to settings like zoom, hue, brightness, sharpness, contrast, and saturation. As you adjust each option, you'll see the changes immediately in the camera preview. When you're satisfied with the image, click Apply, then OK to save your changes. Keep in mind that any changes you make in camera properties apply to the camera itself, not just AirTouch. These settings will carry over to any other application that uses the same camera. If you ever want to restore your camera's original settings, click Default. Optimizing your camera settings can improve tracking accuracy and create a better overall AirTouch experience.